Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Juke front brake pads. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a lug wrench, floor jack, and 2 sturdy jack stands. You will also need new brake pads, a C-clamp or piston retraction tool, and brake cleaner. Always work on a level surface with the parking brake engaged and the rear wheels chocked for safety. Begin by slightly loosening the 5 lug nuts on the front wheels. Now safely raise the front of your vehicle using a floor jack and secure it firmly on 2 jack stands. Once stable, remove the 5 lug nuts in the front wheel. Next, locate the 2 14mm caliper guide pin bolts on the back of the caliper and remove them. Gently lift the caliper off the rotor, ensuring it doesn't hang by the brake hose. You can use a wire or zip tie to support it. Then, simply pull out the old brake pads. With the old pads removed, use a C-clamp or a specialized piston retraction tool to carefully push the caliper piston back into its bore. Clean the caliper and mounting bracket thoroughly with brake cleaner and a wire brush. Apply a thin layer of anti-squeal paste to the backing plates of the new brake pads. Install the new pads into the bracket, then carefully lower the caliper back over the rotor. Tighten the 2 guide pin bolts to 34 Newton meters, or about 25 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the wheel and hand-tighten the 5 lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the vehicle to the ground and use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to 112 Newton meters, or approximately 83 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. Check the brake fluid reservoir under the hood, ensuring the fluid is between the minimum and maximum lines. Then, take your Nissan Juke for a careful test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.